I seen a Lancer today, and I thought Marshall was creaming his pants.
I thought I saw a Lancer today too.
You did, the yellow one that's always at the shop. But I saw another one in that neighborhood that we were doing.
That's what I'm saying. I think
it was
I saw
orange
one
and blue or
yeah,
some
was
shit.
that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that too, and I thought when I saw it, I was like,
Yeah.
Marshall, I'm coming in my pants. And I was fucking just kept on going.
I think this is a Lancer too.
No,
It's a Lancer.
Is it? Oh my God, it's a Lancer. Marshall, where are you?
Is it on site or do you have to pregame? These are the questions we need answered. Like, are you like chubbing around and then you see a Lancer and you're just nutting? Or do you take a picture and then go home and beach meat? Because we want to know. Do you let your girlfriend peg you and pretend she's a Lancer? Do you make her make car noises? You got her back there piping you down, go.
You're fucked up.